Hello, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Pioneer, and this is I Am Sure Sports. And today, I want to look at the Brussels Diamond League. The Brussels Diamond League comes up on Friday, the 3rd of September. And in particular, I want to look at the 200 meters for ladies. This marks the return of Sha'Carri Richardson. Sha'Carri Richardson, as we know, was beaten badly. She finished 9th at the Eugene Diamond League. That was over 100 meters. She was beaten by Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Shericka Jackson, and the rest of the field. She was at the back of the field. She got a lot of flack, she got a lot of criticism for that 9th place finish. Now she's making a return. This time it's over 200 meters, which I think is her weaker event. Alright, let's see what happens. How is she going to stack up against this field? In the field, we have Shericka Jackson. We have the two Namibian youngsters, Christine Mboma and Beatrice Maselingi. We also have Dina Asher-Smith in this lineup. All four of those ladies have better personal best times than Sha'Carri Richardson. However, she has decided to go over 200 meters in this Diamond League. We also had Elaine Thompson, who was booked for this field, but subsequently has pulled out. I'm suggesting Elaine has pulled out because she has already qualified for the Diamond League final after 100 meters. She also has 8 points in the 200 meters, but it would have made no sense for her to qualify for both events in the Diamond League finals. Running two events this late in the season would not be wise. So she has opted out of this 200 meters, and I'm sure we'll see her in Zurich in the Diamond League final trying to do something spectacular. I'm suggesting that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will be in that 100 meter finals too, so we could very much be seeing some fireworks. But let's get back to this 200 meters in Brussels and the return of Sha'Carri Richardson. Sha'Carri Richardson, again, as I said before, is not a noted 200 meter specialist or 200 meter runner. She has had limited success. She has done reasonably well. Let's see what happens in this meet. The youngsters from Namibia are firing on all cylinders. Shericka Jackson got second at the Jamaican trials, had a little mess up at the Olympics, finished down the track in the, I think she finished 3rd in the heats, failed to advance. Alright, but we have seen her prior to the Olympics, had a very good win over Shaunae Miller-Uibo over 200 meters. I'm suspecting that she still has some of that form, even though she has been running quite a bit and it is this late in the season. This should be an interesting race. A lot of eyes will be on this Diamond League. A lot of eyes will be on Sha'Carri Richardson. A lot of persons will be wanting to see how does she bounce back from the bad loss over 100 meters in Eugene. She could salvage something in this Diamond League. A lot will depend on how she comes off the curve, how she finishes. Dina Asher-Smith is a strong finisher, so is Shericka Jackson, and so are the two Namibian ladies. Those are the four persons that I think she will have to contend with. A bad loss, anything less than 3rd in this might reflect badly on Sha'Carri Richardson. However, a good run here could salvage her season and set her up nice for 2022. All eyes will be on Brussels this Friday. Let's see what happens. I am Pioneer, and this is I Am Sure Sports. Again, people, like, share, subscribe for all your great sporting content. I Am Sure Sports. This platform is growing, it's building, it's credible. You only get the